Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you best Archero 2 skill, full guide. Looking for the best skill in Archero 2? With over 90 skills available, it can be overwhelming. But let's cut to the chase. Right now, the top rated and most powerful skill in the game is multi-shot. This legendary skill does exactly what it sounds like. It doubles your firepower by letting you shoot one additional arrow with every attack. That simple boost makes a massive difference in both damage output and crowd control, which is why it's widely regarded as best. Alongside it, Power Trio and Warrior Soul also rank high. Power Trio boosts your damage significantly, while Warrior Soul increases all your core stats, HP attack, and speed. But if you're aiming for game changing impact, nothing beats landing the multi shot. It's rare, yes, but absolutely worth the hunt. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.